Imagine your morning wake-up call relying on a stranger tapping on your window with a long stick. Before the mechanical alarm clock revolutionized mornings, people depended on knocker-uppers to rouse them for work. These human alarms roamed the streets with sticks, pebbles, or even pea shooters to ensure clients didn't oversleep. This peculiar profession flourished in the early 19th and 20th centuries, especially in Britain's industrial towns, where factory workers needed punctuality. Knocker-uppers would often be paid a few pence to knock on windows at the crack of dawn, ensuring their customers were up and ready for the day. The job required precision and trust, as these human alarms had to be reliable and discreet, tapping just loud enough to wake their clients but not disturb the neighbors. As mechanical alarm clocks became more affordable and widespread, the knocker-upper's role slowly disappeared, marking the end of an era where waking up was a personal and community